him holding.
Such a big brother. Ain't you proud of him? Such a big help. Hold it up.
No.
Treating him like you're feeding a cow. Put it back in his mouth. He wants it. I don't think he's done.
Baby.
Baby ain't done. He's gonna yell at you. He's gonna yell at you. He's coming to get it.
Hey! Wait, baby.
He's not gonna wait a second for you.
Mama.
He's telling on you. He's telling Mama on you. You better go over there and help him. That's what Big Brother does. Go over there and go help him.
No.
Why? Go help him. He needs help.
Peace.
Cheese. Okay, go help the baby. Go show her.
Oh, baby.
Yes, the baby. He's doing it without you, but he's getting there. Aw, look at you. You're such a big brother. Okay, you gotta hold it up for him. You guys are so cute.
Hey.
You gonna walk the baby? Is your little tag along?
Baby talking. Done. Baby done.
I don't think he's done. What's baby doing? Better go help him. He's gonna go to the toy area. Jeez, what did you guys?
Stop him.
I'm not gonna stop him, so why don't you go help him?
No.
Why? You have 3 toy bins over there. I don't see why you can't help him.
Help.
Well, go help him get a toy.
No.
Why?
Stop.
Oh, he's not stuck. You may have to move your bike though, because looks like the wheel might be stopping him. Oh man. The wheel on your bike is stopping him. Or he doesn't have to get in there.
Daddy.
Such a big helper.
Ow.
What? Where? Show me. Your hand?
Yeah.
Uh-oh.
Baby flop.
Uh-oh. Did he drop or did he throw it? Man.
Grandma, what? Like it? Cook. Deirdre. Oh!
Where's the trouble?
Right here. I found it.
Okay. Okay.
Around. Hold it. Here it. Around. Hut. Hey. Hut. Oh. Here you go. Ow. I will put it.
He is not going to kiss your foot. He is not going to. You can make him stuck all you want, but he's not going to kiss your foot that you just ran over. So, you do know how to count. Busted. Just took them all away from me. You're gonna give them back to him? What you go? What are you doing?
Honey.
They're down there now.
Dolly.
They're down there. Why'd you do that?